Austin City Council is having to backtrack on a rule limiting how long the public can speak on issues during council meetings.
Last night, a Travis County judge issued a temporary restraining order requiring the council to let the public speak for 3 minutes on each item they signed up to talk about, opposed to 2 minutes total.
KVUE's Malia Masamoto is live in the newsroom. Malia, the council can restrict speakers in some cases, though, right?
Brian, Ashley, that's correct. Austin City Council can restrict speakers they believe are being disruptive or not staying on topic to the items that they signed up to speak about. But I just spoke with the plaintiff of this lawsuit who says people have a right to talk about all the items they signed up for and not just that 2-minute limit.
Members of the public speaking at city council meetings has long been a tradition here in Austin. It's what inspired Bill Bunch's organization, the Save Our Springs Alliance.
Our organization was born from a famous all-night hearing. Hundreds of people showed up. Council heard them all the way through the night.
For decades, members of the public were given 3 minutes per item to speak. But over the last few years, council has changed it to 2 minutes in total per person.
The public engagement is really being truncated and abused.
And with agendas including dozens of items, some with millions of dollars of funding attached to them, Bunch says it's crucial the public gets their right to speak. He and his organization filed a lawsuit against Austin City Council after what happened at the last meeting.
Please go ahead.
Do I get my 8 minutes?
No, sir.
I get 2 minutes for my 4 items.
And you're down to 101.
Okay, and I will see you in court promptly, and we will have this foolishness put to an end.
51.
All right.
A Travis County judge ruled that the city was in violation of the Texas Open Meetings Act and the Austin City Charter. They granted a temporary restraining order for the council meeting on Thursday. But the city doesn't agree. In a statement, a city spokesperson said, quote, "We believe we've complied with the Texas Open Meetings Act. However, we respect the court's decision and will abide by the judge's ruling." But even before the temporary restraining order was issued, council petitioned the judge to deny it. In their petition, they say defendants have known about council's practice for over a year, but haven't done anything about it. They also claim that 2 minutes to speak on routine items is reasonable. But for Bunch and the people he's standing up for, he says it's about keeping democracy alive in Austin.
It makes a difference. It changes who we are as a city.
Now, the lawsuit is expected to be talked about in court exactly a week from today in a temporary injunction hearing. Live in the newsroom, Malia Masamoto, KVUE News.